My father rises early and makes a sup of tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. His days are often empty, nothing much to do. So he tells me stories of the travelling life he knew. In the evening they would meet down lonely country lanes, a field away you'd hear a collie bark, and they'd pass the time away with talk about the day, standing round the campfire in the dark, standing round the campfire in the dark. My mother likes the house, the hot water and the rooms. It's warm in the winter and she's handy with a broom. Sometimes she makes colcannon, more often griddle bread, for there's a hunger deep inside her for a life that's nearly dead. In the evening she would lift the black pot from the coals, a bit too late she always would remark. There'd be vessels left to clean, while children could be seen playing round the campfire in the dark, playing round the campfire in the dark. We go down to the pool hall and chat up the town bures. Sometimes at a disco we can't get past the doors. We're still tinkers to them, it's thrown at our ears. We're still the strangers after all these years. I think about my own life and the way that it will be. An escort van, a bit of dealing, a wife and a family. Thursday I'll collect the dough, maybe pitch and toss. On the side I'll think about the travellers' ways we've lost, and I wish that I could rise and wash the sleep out of my eyes, listening to the sweet song of the lark. And I wish that I could be in that campfire company, with the sound of horses moving in the dark, with the sound of horses moving